So you just came out here or what?
Yeah, I just came out and I saw him. So guys, check this out. We got a pretty decent sized little gator right here. I don't know if you can see him. I got a little bit. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Maybe we could switch the light. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's like, oh yeah, right there. He's decent. Yeah, that's a pretty good sized little gator. He's probably 4 or 5 feet. Go over there and hit that switch.
Which one?
The light.
Over.
See, next one.
Okay.
Reach your hand over. Turn it on. Oh, he just took off. Damn it. Damn it. He just took off.
Is that the spot? No, that's not
Yeah.
the spotlight.
Yeah, spotlight's on. It just lit all this up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So that was, I think he's right there. See him?
Oh,
Right
okay,
here.
yeah.
There he is. There he is. I'm like,
Yeah, I see him.
he's right there.
Yeah.
Shut the lights off again.
Okay.
Let's see. So he's out there. Let's see. You see the eyes?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. He was, see if we see any more out here, but yeah, he was sitting right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Look at those eyes.
Yeah.
So anyways, that was interesting. I was just on the porch here. It's 12:35 a.m. And there's just always something going on out here in the water. Saw about a 4 or 5 foot gator sitting right back here. You know, there's a lot of frogs in here, fish. He was just sitting here. So he was pretty decent. What are your thoughts?
That's pretty wild. I know in the past we've seen some gators, but I've never had to see a gator so close right here.
I mean,
That's the first time I've seen a gator so close.
15 feet, 20
Yeah.
feet away.
Yeah, it's
He was pretty
interesting.
decent size, about
Yeah.
4 or 5 feet. I mean,
Yeah.
not giant, but
Yeah.
he could do some damage.
Oh, yeah.
I
yeah.
mean,
It's nice to be able to have to be able to see gators right here. Though.
we're far enough back and high enough up that there he is right there.
Yeah.
So the camera's probably not picking it up, but you hit the eyes, man. What color would you? They're kind of like red,
Yeah.
red, orange,
Yeah.
whatever. I mean, but they definitely,
It's just
he's
interesting.
definitely watching us.
Oh, for sure.
So,
I wouldn't be surprised if there was more gators out here.
oh yeah. Well, that one, I don't know if I've seen this one yet. There's a small one that hangs out back here, but he was definitely bigger.
Yeah. That's interesting, though. Like
Yeah.
I said, it's nice to be able to have a change of scenery.
Yeah, it really is. It really
Yeah.
is. I mean, I know people freak out about the gators, but it's just the way it is out here. You know, we don't let the dogs near the water. We keep them back. But they are here. They're part of life.
Well, of course, just like anything.
Yeah, just like anything. But yeah, you definitely have to be careful.
Yeah.
I know you want to go swimming tomorrow in the pond. So,
That's interesting.
let's see if we can find him. There he is. Look at those eyes, man.
Oh my God.
I mean, this flashlight doesn't even have a good light on it, and
Yeah.
you can just pick him up.
You can pick him up.
He's just definitely just hanging out watching us. I couldn't believe he was just sitting there. I'll see if I see any more. I don't see any more. This light's not good, but yeah, he's cruising. I don't see any more out there, but it's the ones that you don't see. You got to be careful about. Yeah, there he is. He's cruising.
That's crazy how you can still see him from here.
Yeah, and the lights are not even that powerful.
Exactly.
But it's another reminder that you do have to be a little careful of your dogs and whatnot, and
Of course.
yourself. But yeah, we're elevated here, and we have the porch, and he's not coming up here. But who knows what else is out there, like a bigger one. Do you think there's a bigger one out there?
I know there's bigger gators
Yeah,
out
I
there.
know. I mean, they did pull 2 big ones out of here a year ago.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah.
This one definitely, I don't think I've seen before. And he's just sitting right there. But, you know, I do feed the turtles here and the brim here, so there's always commotion, and I'm sure it does attract them. And They come to see what's going on. So beautiful evening, 12:40 a.m. and it's absolutely gorgeous. Hit the spotlight one more time. Let's see if we can pick him up. Yeah, he's a little far. There he is. Oh shoot, he's right there.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
He's right out there.
Yep.
He's about, I don't know, it's about 50, 75 yards.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's funny. You can still see him.
Yep. His eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So anyways, I'll let you get going.
Yep.
Interesting night.
Yep.
But yeah, it's nice to turn the lights on, and I wish we would have turned the lights on earlier, but maybe he might have darted.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah,
we turned that on.
Yeah, we got these lights on in the back here, so we can light up some of the pond.
Mm-hmm.
There, I can see him from here, right there.
Mm-hmm.
He's cruising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could still see him.
Yep. Yeah, he's solo. I don't see anybody else out there.
Mm-hmm.
Just him.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's this? Something over there.
You see something over there?
Maybe. Just saw something break the water. Yeah, there's a lot of activity out here at night. He's cruising back. He's moving.
Mm-hmm.
We'll let him do his thing.
Yeah.
Anyways, anything you want to close with?
Well, I think it's very important if you live in an area like this to be able to enjoy the fact that you do have wildlife, but at the same time, let them be. That's what JB does.
There you go.
He lets them be, lets them do their thing, and just, how do you say it? I would say embrace the fact that you're in an area like this.
I'll give you $5,000 right now to swim across the pond.
Oh, man.
Are you down?
Jeez, that's a big gamble. It's a big gamble.
All right, we'll leave it there. I wouldn't let you do that.
Yeah.
But anyways, everybody just checking in. I want to share that with you. Always something going on out here. It's a gorgeous night. The moon, the water's like glass, and there's a gator right there. He's right there. You see him? He's going to cross the moon.
Oh,
right there.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at those eyes. It's like red, right?
It's just wild.
It's like a little like flame.
Yeah.
Like red. He's just going to cruise right over the moonlight.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
It's just wild how you can see those eyes from.
I know. Look at, there he is. There he goes, breaking right over the moon.
Yeah.
He's going to come right up under this tree here.
Yep.
Wow. Incredible.
Bloodshot eyes.
Bloodshot eyes.
Yep.
All right, guys. Before we get bloodshot eyes, we're out of here.
All right.
So we just came back to the watermelon farm. Look at the size of this watermelon we just picked up for $10. This thing is around 50 pounds. This is one of the bigger ones that I got this year.
That's huge.
It's huge. And there's even bigger ones in there. So I picked this one out. Hopefully it's good. Which came back to the watermelon farm here in Headland, and go ahead and just put it on top of the seat.
Yeah.
And hopefully it's going to be good. They've all been fantastic, but look at the size of this thing. It's huge. So we'll get that back today, get it chopped up, cool down. Ricky's got to have some nice watermelon here in the south.
There's
right?
A bunch of watermelons in there, man.
Oh man, so this is the farm, like right out here, where they all came from. Out here.
$10.
$10, 50-pound watermelon.
That's amazing.
And the thing is, every bite is going to be delicious. All right, next stop, let's go. Okay, so we found another place, and Enrique is going to buy up all their buffaloes. How many do they have? 13? 13. So he's going to buy all 13. So we just left this coin and jewelry exchange here in Dothan. Bobby Steverson, owner, and my camera went dead. I cut. You probably see Enrique on it. Cut him off. But anyways, you were able to buy 13 buffaloes.
That's all they had.
That's all they had.
We took them all.
Yep.
We emptied them out of buffaloes.
Want to pop them really quick?
Yeah, we emptied them out of buffaloes.
Unfortunately, the woman that was helping us, she was in tears because she had just lost her dog today. It was in labor, and her dog had passed away. So please say a prayer for her. You always hate to see that. We're dog people, we're animal lovers, and she was just in tears doing this transaction. I said, don't even worry about us. You know, Enrique will just take whatever amount of buffaloes you have. All he had was 13. It just felt horrible. But the puppies are still alive and surviving, so that's good news. Say a prayer for this lady. Anyways, nice little shop here. We talked to the owner. What's his name? Bobby. And he's an old guy, probably like in his 80s. And he thinks by the end of this year, the metals market's going to turn around and it's just going to come roaring back. Mm-hmm. You might be right. We'll see. But anyways, look at these. Look at these beautiful, beautiful buffaloes.
There we are.
So you need more though, right?
We need more. Just got more cash to burn.
So they said sales have been good. Sales have been very, very good.
This is what you want right here.
Yep. There you go. I love buffaloes. One of my favorites, gold or silver. Anyway, so we are going to head back to the pad, check on the dogs. Beautiful day. So Enrique was able to get a really nice deal. $60 an ounce out the door. That was, and that's all they had. So I think he did pretty good. And he's got it in his hands right now. So, anyways, heading back. So much happening. So, follow up on the markets when we get back. That's it.
Mm-hmm.